In this video, we're going to be going over the Latitude Gem Visa card. There's going to be a full review for them, so if you're considering the Latitude Gem Visa card, there are some key factors you need to know before applying, right? While the card does offer 6 months interest-free on purchases over $250 and new annual fee, well, many users report issues that might make you think twice. Okay? So, let's go over first some interest-free offers, right? The 6-month interest-free period on large purchases can be useful for managing your expenses, right? And they also have multiple payment plans, 3 different 0% interest payment plans, allowing you flexibility when repaying. And it's also accepted at many retailers, It works with various partner stores, providing you with exclusive deals. Now, the cons, as you can see, there's also reviews to back these up, right? For example, hidden fees. Users report unexpected monthly fees, including an $8.95 account service fee, okay? Even with no balance, and additional charges for payment. And they also have a very, very difficult cancellation process, because some users are actually claiming that even after paying off their balances, the card remains active and the fees continue to accumulate. Okay? And also, they have a poor customer service. Look at these, okay? Basically, many have reported long wait times, right? And unresolved disputes. One user even claimed that they were charged fees for over a year, okay, after they paid off their car. Over an year. Now, there's also security concerns because there are reports of, customer data breaches and unauthorized transactions taking months to resolve. And the international fees, it's about 3%. So it is a little bit high for using the card abroad. It makes it a costly choice for a traveler. So if you're a traveler, I would not recommend this. And it also has a high interest rate. The interest rate, it is 21.45% per annum. This card basically has a higher purchase, interest rate compared to many, many competitors. The final verdict, I would say, for this card, it might be beneficial if you frequently shop, right, at participating retailers, and you can take advantage of the interest fee period. Okay? However, there are hidden fees. There's poor customer service, high interest rate. Okay? These are major red flags. If you're looking for a more transparent credit card, you may want to consider, other low rate alternatives with better customer reviews. So that's it for today's review. So make sure you smash that like button as well as subscribe to Appier Solutions so I can see you in the next one.